Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be smoking some cheese. We've got some buffalo mozzarella, we've got some cheddar, and we've got some lovely Dutch Gouda. So what I'm using here is the ProQ Cold smoker. They're about £34 on Amazon. So first off, I'm just putting some sawdust. This is like an oak that's going in. I haven't got a lot of this, so I'm just using a little bit, being a bit sparing. But the main sawdust that I'll be using is this stuff. This is orange wood, and it just gives it a nice mild flavour, so hence why I'm using this for the cheese. So just filling that up there, making sure it's nice and evenly coated. So for the cheese smoking, I'm going to fill a tray up with a rack with some water, as you can see there. I'm going to fill it up, and this is just to keep the temperatures nice and cold. So on with the cheese, so a couple of lumps of cheddar, just arranging them there. And then on with the Gouda, nicely done. And then the buffalo mozzarella. Now I'm placing the buffalo mozzarella at the back and the harder cheeses at the front. It will be cold, but just making sure that it's not going to melt or anything like that whilst it's in the smoker. So off to the Roccbox, and we're going to light now the ProQ smoker. So I've just got a match, just lighting it now. And there you go, it's just starting to produce a bit of smoke. So you get like a candle, and you have to put the tea light candle in there. So I've been using this a couple of times, and I've just found that just lighting it beyond the candle also helps as well. So I'm just doing that now with the long match. And there you go, now you can see it's producing lots of smoke. Getting ready now. Pop the cheese in. So in with the cheese, and as you can see, I've pushed that cold smoker to the back of the Roccbox, and next you need a damp towel and just place that over the top, and it's just to try and prevent the smoke from escaping too much and keep a little residual smoke in there. So as you can see, it's just creeping out the smoke, but not as much as it would be if it was left open. So this is about 4 hours later. So you can see it's dark now, and here you go. This is the difference the towel makes. So as I pull this up, you'll see lots of smoke escaping. Wow, look at all that. And just pulling that out of the way. And what I'll do next is I'll just pull that tray out. Here you go, and you can have a nice look at the cheese, and look at this smart. It's gone like a yellow tinge on it. So here you go, bring it back inside. It's not sweaty at all, it's a real cold smoke, so there's no real heat in there. So this is the before. Here you go. And what I'm going to show you next, this is the after, and look at the difference. There's a yellow tinge to stuff. Might be a bit difficult to pick on camera. So afterwards, just wrap it up in cling film, nice and tight. So I'll pop that in the fridge. The mozzarella will stop in for about 24 hours. I'm going to use that on a pizza, but the harder cheese will stop in a couple of days. Really, really smoky. I see you got, that's the non-smoke side. No, there is a smoke side. Wow. Really, really nice. Nice, mild, smoky taste. Really, really nice.